off, ladies and gent. So nobody showed up, which is a little bit annoying, but you know, here's what it is. But we're gonna head down to, yeah, the Cars and Coffee, because why in the frick not? So we're gonna head through the city, follow the Swan, do a little bit of romantical crap. Nah, we're just gonna go around the Swan and then head up there. And then, yeah, we'll probably go and grab some food and then, yeah, continue on with the rest of the day. The moon is so big and bright at the moment, holy crap. And it's nearly 10 AM and it hasn't gone under the planet. So let's hope this time around there's some nice cars at the Cars and Coffee. I'll be goddamn sure there's going to be some doggos there. Because the last couple of times I've been there have been some adorable dogs at Cars and Coffee. And well, that's always the good part. Dogs, cars, coffee, food. Good time to meet. The sun needs to warm up a little bit more though, because as much as this jacket is kind of blocking out the wind, it is getting cold. And my girlfriend's shivering at the back. I can feel her legs just But the bike should warm up in a little bit, because it's sitting on 2 bars. It usually pops up to 3 and then it's all hunky dory. Yeah, the city skyline. Cyclists, man. Frickin' cyclists, man. They're a problem no matter where you are in the world. Asshats thinking they own the road. But I digress. Yes. Do you want to hop off? Because I'll just park up there. Yeah, can I park and then come back? Huh? Can I just park and come back? Because it's all in my jacket inside. I'm gonna move back in there. Can you hold that, please? What's going on? Long time no see. How's it going? Nice to meet you.
Wannabe racer.
Yeah, Voidzzy.
Yeah.
Hello there. Oh, fucking in gear.
I'm up over there in the corner.
Is there space?
Yeah, if you go in between the bikes, there's a spot near.
Oh, right, yeah, I see it. Hold up. I've got my helmet on. Why don't I just ride it? Yeah, like I'm supposed to. Oh. Ah. Good. We're gonna go have some brekkie and then cruise on home. Alright, ladies and gents, excuse me, y'all gassy. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna call it quits here. It's been a nice day just to hop out and just mosey around and do stuff and things with the missus, and yeah, nice cars, saw a lot of doggos. Had some lunch and some ice cream, but now I'm gotta go home and get ready for next week. So thank y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace, ride safe, and as always, yellow douches. And we're getting some tunnel run, so this is just some extra footage at the end, baby.